We all know that cloud computing is the future. We will be moving all our workloads out into the cloud where someone else can manage them, but getting to that state isn't necessarily easy. Many people have workloads that have to stay in their on-prem data center for traditional reasons, such as it may run in a mainframe, or it may be constrained by compliance and regulations, or it may be just simply too difficult to move because it's written in some obscure traditional programming language, and you can't readily move it without re-engineering it, and that cost and risk is not popular. So this is why many people are looking at the hybrid IT option, where you put some of your stuff in the data center and some of the stuff in the cloud. Everything new goes in the cloud, and increasingly it's just the older systems that are remaining on-premise, but that's a future goal. We have to get our existing systems talking to the cloud first, and that's where we come across quite a number of barriers. The first set of barriers are probably security in your security team, who don't want to open ports in the firewall. They won't want to create more vulnerabilities by establishing an expensive VPN connection between them, and you may not want to have the expense of putting in leased lines. So we at Kaazing have come up with a solution to this. It's called KWIC, and it stands for Kaazing WebSocket Intercloud Connect. And what KWIC lets you do is it enables you to connect using pure software defined connections from applications running in on-prem to cloud. Or indeed you can do it from cloud to cloud, or from one security domain into another security domain. And you can also connect stack to stack, because when we say the cloud, it's not just one set of homogeneous systems, it's a whole different series of stacks. And often those stacks are only connected at the very bottom level of network connectivity. So what we're doing with KWIC is enabling a WebSocket based connection that comes out from your data center, so you don't need to open a port in the firewall, and it connects into your cloud service over the internet, no extra hardware, no open ports, because it comes straight through, comes straight out of the firewall and arrives at the destination. Now, if you need to keep both firewalls closed, we have a solution for that too, because KWIC can install an element in the DMZ that you connect to, and then you connect to it from the cloud, and they understand where each other is located. So what we are now doing is establishing an application to application connection without having to open firewalls, without having to put in place a VPN. And we can constrain that traffic so that it's a very secure, very high performance solution that will enable you to put in place hybrid IT without all the additional costs and risks normally associated with it. So we think KWIC is an extremely important solution in the evolution from on-prem to cloud, because it enables us to use software-defined application to application connectivity to replace existing solutions. And that puts the control in the hands of you, rather than having to worry about network layers, firewalls, and all those other elements. So check out the detail on our website, kaazing.com, Kaazing.com, and look for the product KWIC. And we will be producing more material, we will be launching webinars, and we will be creating white papers that explain how this solution really helps deliver what you need to do to get you into the cloud.